Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Be a Programmer channel. I'm Roshan Thakur and I work in the IT sector. Over the years, I've worked with several IT organizations and helped train interns during their onboarding. I've also been part of campus placement drives and conducted corporate training sessions at multiple colleges. Right now, I'm working as a project manager in an IT company, leading teams, building projects, and mentoring future developers. I started this new video series called Decoded Programming Basics because I've noticed something during interviews. Many college students struggle with basic programming concepts. This series is here to fix that. If you're facing issues with programming or have questions, feel free to reach out. You can email me at beaprogrammer3751@gmail.com or drop a message on this YouTube channel. Stay connected, keep learning, and let's decode programming one concept at a time. Thanks for watching.